Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use MetaTrader 5 on PC. So in order to use MetaTrader 5 on PC, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and that you've already created your account. So once you've created your account, go ahead and log it into your MetaTrader account. Then the trading platform will provide a simple and user-friendly interface as well. So all commands can be accessed main menu, and the most frequent used ones are available on the toolbar, which are navigator. You can manage technical analysis and algorithm tools or trading tools as well. So first thing, you can go ahead and create a demo account. So this provides an opportunity to work in a trading mode without real money, allowing to test the trading strategies. To open a demo account, you need to select server and specify registration data as well. So after you've opened an account, the platform connects to a server. You can now work in a platform. Go ahead and make a trade as well. So for that, you need to go and order from the top right and then go to new orders. And then you can practice your trading skills without risking real money. You can try to make your first trade. You can just go to select financial instrument in the market watch window, open its context menu and click new order to execute sell trade, or click sell, or buy click for a buy. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.